What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for clicking on this video. Let's get into it. We are, where the hell are we? Franklin, Kentucky. Not too far from the house. Nice little short drive over here to get loaded. Yeah, it took me a minute to get in the dock, didn't it? That was almost embarrassing. With all this room I got here, like this, plenty of room. I've been off for like a week, all right? So give me a break. This one is going to, where are we going? Kansas City. Going back over to Kansas City. I don't have a load out of there yet, but I'm sure I'll get one soon. There's a lot of freight coming out of that area. And even surprising enough, with my parameters that I have on the Landstar load board, at least 350 a mile, no more than 50 mile deadhead. There's over 200 loads that are available for tomorrow pickup, going all sorts of different places. But as of right now, we're picking up about 11,000 pounds. It's supposed to be hazmat. I don't know if it'd be placard or not. Depends on how heavy it is and whatever it is, all that good stuff. But they've been loading me for a minute. Should be done. I think we're gonna get a truck wash, guys, on the way out there at some point, somewhere, because it's time. We got some soot all over the truck. Thanks to the straight pipes, you can see the streaks everywhere when it rains, even after the buckets are put on. Still dumps a lot of soot from all the moisture and all that good stuff. But yeah, as of right now, guys, it's been a while since I've done a video. Sorry about that. Just been at home hanging out with the family and enjoying that time, you know. Out here for so long, you just kind of want to take as much time home as you can. So that's what I've done. Yeah, I guess once we get our bills here, they're getting it all strapped up. I gave them 5 straps. That's what they asked for. They should have it all strapped whenever we pull out of the dock. Again, I don't know if there's placards or not, but we'll figure something out. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the road. We'll figure out what's going on, talk about whatever it is whenever we get it, but we'll wrap this up. See y'all here in a few. Alright, guys, we just left the shipper about a mile ago, and got about 8,000 pounds, or 8 pallets, about 11,000 pounds in the box. Nice light load, which is nice. It pays pretty good too. It's $2,500 going over to Kansas City, which is a nice rate. I'm happy with that rate. It gives me, like, to the truck is like 370, something like that, 370 or so to the truck. Maybe it's 270. It's a pretty good rate either way. I got a 3/4 tank of fuel, so I don't need any fuel going all the way there. We're just gonna ride it out. I'll have to stop and do my safety checks every so often, every 150 miles after the first 50 miles check, and then after that we'll you know, every 150 or 3 hours, whichever comes first. So we're gonna get on over here to 65 and put the hammer down. I'm on some back roads, so speed limit's 45. I should probably slow down a little bit. Probably should slow down just a little bit, Yo, I got some chicken poop chapstick. This crap is freaking amazing, guys. Amazing. Get it at Tractor Supply. I don't know if you can get it anywhere else. We get it from Tractor Supply. It's like $3 for a stick, and it actually heals your lips. It doesn't, it's not some BS brand chapstick, you know, like, it's actually some good stuff, man. I like it. You can actually tell after putting it on a little while later, it actually soothes your lips and heals them. Because I got a dry spot where I cracked my lip, and that always feels wonderful. And no, I'm not, there's no sponsorship there. I just like it. I like their product. They got a good product. This is a truck route? Goodness gracious. This route sucks. Central Time, so it's definitely going to be some night trucking here soon, which is all right. I mean, it is what it is. I ain't trucked in a long time, so why not get a little bit of both in it, you know? Get out here, nice long load, stretch my legs. Missing the family already, though. Definitely do not want to be on the road. I got some new lights for the truck. Got to put those on. I got a Chrome Shop Mafia decal I got when I got my stacks that I gotta put on. I think I'm gonna put it on the back of the sleeper at the very bottom. I think it'll look good there. But we're going to we'll deal with all that later. It might be this video, might not. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Y'all know how I do it. It's just kind of a randomness of a little bit of everything. So we're going to get over here to 65 and yeah, get on the high lonesome, pound some pavement. Y'all know what to do. Just get on down the road, make some money, right? Guys, we are we're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, rough ass road, rough road. Oh my goodness gracious, that's so terrible. I like that that route is open now, because I literally just have to go straight here. Confirm the name of the place I'm going. Bennett Rogers, that's what I thought. Busy area right through here. and Rogers. How am I supposed to get over there? I'm assuming this is where I need to be. Oh, I can't see what that sign says. So I'm gonna pull in anyways. Oh, glad I did not wind up getting that truck washed last night. I would have been sorely disappointed with that. I have no idea where I'm supposed to go either. I cannot stand that this seatbelt does not have a height adjustment. I hope there's a spot I can turn around. I'll ask these guys right here. All right, you? Supposed to, I don't know where I'm supposed to be for receiving.
You go to the office already?
No, I didn't know where the office was. I just seen the name on the side of the building and was like, all right, I gotta get out of the road.
I don't know, I don't know if this is the right place. It's Bennett Rogers?
Yeah, that's what it says here. Yeah, it's Bennett and Rogers, 900 Kindleberger Road.
Yeah, so you gotta go back up and at the street, you're going to the right and you're gonna see a brown door. That's the office.
Okay.
The lady should be there.
All right, you want me to just turn around or is there a dock back here?
You can go around.
I can drive all the way around? Okay, right on. I'll do that then, thank you.
All right.
That made it so much easier. Just drive around. Hopefully the AC doesn't bother you guys. It's a little warm over here in Kansas City today. See a loading dock either. I'm gonna park it right here real quick. Alright, I'm gonna go check in and I'll get back with you guys. Alright guys, so I goofed. I had footage of where I was in the trailer unloading everything because I had to actually get in the trailer. I was good where I parked, where you just see me park in the little alleyway right there between the buildings. I went in, checked into the office, and she told me to just stay there, give the paperwork to somebody with a forklift. They'll come out and take care of it. They had to put a pallet jack in the back. So I moved it from the nose of the trailer to the back. It was 8 pallets. 3 of those pallets were 4 drums. 1 pallet was 3 drums. And then the rest were like little small boxes and like 5-gallon buckets and stuff. Nothing too crazy. I had this whole video made already. I had it saved on my phone and I deleted it somehow while I was trying to upload to YouTube. So you don't get to see all that. My bad. I goofed. I'll pay a little more attention next time, I promise. But yeah, so this is the next day. That all this was done yesterday. I wound up parking after that load to get to the load that you guys will see in the next video, which is the one I'm on now. So little screw up there on my part, my bad. That's why I'm in the truck doing all this, and completely changed and all that. Another day. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I talked about the money on this load. It was $1,707 to the truck, which came out to like $313 and some change a mile to the truck after Landstar got their cut. For 8,000 pounds or 11,000 pounds, whatever it was, 1 day run, basically, you know, deliver the next day, easy money. I can't complain. I say that all the time about the loads. It's because here at Landstar, you can pick your own freight. You can do what you want to do. You can go where you want to go. You can not go where you don't want to go. There is no telling somebody, I don't want to go to New York, or I don't want to go to California, I don't want to go to Florida. You just don't go. You pick your own freight and you go. If anybody's got any questions about Landstar, feel free to drop in the comment section. Hit me up on Instagram, Nomad.trucker. You can also email me, preston.zt at gmail.com, and we can chit chat there, do whatever we need to do. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate all the love and the support you guys have shown me. If you're interested in Nomad Trucker hat, I also have Nomad Trucker shirts. I have some new shirts that are just in. We got them yesterday, actually, because I did all this already. They have the Nomad Trucker logo on the left front pocket, which looks like the right front pocket for you guys. Everything's backwards. But yeah, the small left pocket Nomad Trucker logo, same thing that's here on the hat. And on the back, it says American in Old English, and then it has the trucker flag that my wife designed, and then underneath that it says trucker. So American trucker with the flag in between the two words, all in white Old English. I'll put a picture up here so you guys can see that. If you're interested in those, or stickers, logos, tumblers, anything like that, you can hit us up on Instagram. My wife is on Instagram. All that stuff will be in the description below. Again, thank you guys for all the love and the support. Yeah, until next time, guys, we'll see you guys then, and y'all be good, stay safe, love one another, let your family know you love them. Stand up for what you believe in. Please stand up for what you believe in, and don't let anybody, you know, push you around on that. Take your stand and stand. So y'all be good, stay safe, love you guys. Yeah, love you guys.